Hey everyone, I'm here with Gerald Styles. We got something to show you from San Juan Model Company. It's the new high dome CONOCO tank car, and we have it one here, and we're going to give it a whirl on the Termite and Tarantula Railroad today. So here we have the new San Juan Model Company high dome CONOCO tank cars. These are On3, but there's also something neat that comes in the box. There's On30 wheel sets that come with each of these models, and you can have just natural On30 operation right out of the box with these new CONOCO high dome tank cars. So here we have one of the new CONOCO tank cars. I'm going to just go ahead and pull this open, starting with the flap on the side here. It's pretty much a clamshell design, so you can expect that. Just open up the flap, and it's a pull this out. Here's the extra wheel sets. These are for On30. So you pull these wheel sets out and you replace the ones that are stock on the model, and you should be able to operate on On30. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use a small screwdriver to just pull up the journal just a little bit, exposing the conical end cap to this axle, and I'm going to just pull this wheel set right on out. So just like that, I managed to pull that out. The whole wheel set will just pop right off. That's the On3. You can actually see the difference in the gauge between the On3 and the On30 wheels. We're going to be putting these suckers on right now. Just lift it up a little bit. You'll see that there's a very small little triangular gap there, and that's where the tip of the axle kind of fits through. So what you do is you push on a little bit and it'll pop right out, and you can just push on a little bit and it should just drop right back in. Try this. So you can actually see, here's another example of the On30 wheel set on the front, closest to the left. On the right of the screen, you'll actually see the On3. It's a little bit wider. You can see the flanges are a little bit closer to the brake shoes on the truck itself, while the On30 one's kind of a little bit more inset. All right, so I got all 4 wheel sets on. I'm just for now, I'm just going to be putting all the On3 wheels back into this handy dandy little parts bag. And I'll show you what this looks like. Flipping it over. Slightly narrower, but we're going to give this a round on Gerald's layout.